Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones Marshall Major 5 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store, and now we need to go to the search, so you will see this menu. This is iOS 26, so it looks like this. This search button located at the right bottom, you tap on it, and then if you have iOS 26 you will see search line at the bottom, but if you have previous version you will see this line at the top, and you tap at this line and write Marshall. Now search, and you should install this application, what called Marshall Bluetooth. Now open it. You need to click allow here. Then maybe you need to click at the right here at the check mark, and next you can write your email, but I don't want to, so I'm going to skip it. It's the same, I don't want to share my data, so I uncheck this slider, then click next. Add device, and we did it. Now we can easily add these headphones to your phone. In the next video I will show how to do this, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!